Ghanaian entertainers Shatta Wale and Dumelo have taken shots at Nigeria's Super Eagles as their national team, Black Stars, qualified for the World Cup in Qatar. Recall when the Super Eagles went to play against the Black Stars of Ghana in Baba Yara Stadium in Kumasi. Actor-cum-politician Dumelo stated that he would trek from Accra to Lagos if the Super Eagles won. But the two teams had a draw 0-0 and Dumelo didn't have to turn to Johnny Walker. Now, as the Black Stars of Ghana came to Nigeria to play the second leg of the World Cup qualifier playoff, they drew 1-1, but Nigeria lost on away goals, making Ghana the first African country to qualify for the World Cup. Following this win, Dumelo came out again to say that he already said the Super Eagles are super chickens and he isn't surprised they lost even in their own home. He wrote. Shatta Wale, on the other hand, made a video where he was singing.
Naija, don't carry lasso. Naija, don't carry lasso. Naija, don't carry lasso.
Hearing him drag Nigerians comes as no surprise because he's known for always calling out Nigerians for one thing or the other, and seeing an opportunity in their loss to blast them is expected. Do you think the Super Eagles played a good game?